Well. We got this little Evinrude over here. Tracker. It's on a bass tracker. And I thought I'm going to shoot this because this one would be a good one to see. I think so. I've worked on this several times. This is actually the one where the bottom carburetor was having a little issue with the fitting leaking. Now we're going to get this down a little bit. You can see this. I'm going to start this guy up. We still got some juice there. Yeah, so our bottom coil is not firing. To make sure we got this coil is not bad, we'll just take this coil off and swap it to this coil. So we'll have to just, pull our spark plug and should have quite a bit of that, that goo. We can see, but this looks pretty good. We'll see if it follows. If it does, then we know definitely we got a bad coil. So these are pretty easy, just gonna pop off like this. So we just want to see if they follow. We'll just pop these off real quick. Timed out, did it? It was getting sparked now. All the coils are good. Alright, we're going to have to go downstream now. See what happens. Well, it looks like I had a bad boot on the spark plug wire. Anyway, I fixed that. Let's see what happens here. Oh my God. Really? See if it gets a spark now. Maybe not. I guess. Well, I think the thing to do on this is to check the timing. Still seems a little funky, but we're getting fire and everything. So I think it should be 0 at idle and 19 degrees at advanced timing. So I'm gonna get out, get that set up. See if that helps. I'm going to take the front plate off so I can feel each carburetor and see if they're about even. You can do a vacuum thing and make sure that they're equal. Or you take the front plate off and then just put your hand over each one of these carbs and see that they're all basically behaving the same. Oh, bad spark plug wire. Fix that. Check the timing on it. It's a little off. So I tested on it a little bit. Seems to be really good for the game. Well, I think we got a systolic draw on the battery. I'm going to let it run for a little bit and see if it times out. If it sucks the battery so low that it dies. Seems like that was happening before. So I think we got some problem there. But it really is running pretty good now. Of course, this is a deleted VRO, so you see a little bit of smoke. That's normal for this engine without the VRO. Of course, if you're running full wide open throttle, you wouldn't. It's not going to smoke near this much. You guys know about the VROs, and you know that's what they do. That's why they call it the variable ratio oiler, because it's giving it the same amount of oil now as wide open throttle. Whereas if you hit the VRO, it'd be a little less of that oil mixture on idle versus wide open throttle. I mean, the timing on it was about 4 degrees after top dead center. We got it back to 0. And then I adjusted a little bit. You can hear the tone of the engine. You know, it might be plus or minus 2 degrees. So we got that set. I'm not worried about the advanced timing because we got a, it's kind of set. It won't move. 14.6, 14.7. Seems kind of high to me. That's about what it is. You see, that's about what it is. I just put a water pump in this, so it should be pretty good. I killed it. Yeah, so I don't know. I think at this point I'm going to have to see about a systolic draw, see if it's drawn somewhere. But it's running pretty good. He brought it in. It was pretty weird. I mean, it was really running on 2 cylinders. But also, it wouldn't start because the flywheel and the starter, the tooth got caught right in the middle. And I mean, it would not budge, which was a low battery situation, I think. So he had some kind of draw that was happening on his battery, and it drew down. That caused that problem. Luckily, he didn't take out a starter. They're pretty robust.